everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Queenacraft project share. And I'm going to show you what I used from their store, and I'll also have the links down below with a percentage off discount code for you to go shopping. All right, let's jump right in. And I am going to start off with these little pearls. I'm going to show you. This is called the 100 piece, and you get 100 pieces of the flatback pearls. It's called 100 pieces of flower imitation pearl patch, 9mm. This is the size I got. It's a little bigger. It's not the smaller ones, but perfect size for bows. I love it. And so on that note, let me show you the bows that I created and using these little flatback pearls. Oh, I thought they just turned out so adorable, and they add just the perfect little touch. Okay, next we will go to Star Decorative Wave Frame die, which is right here. And if you want the measurements, I have all of that on the product share. So there goes that. Let me show you what I used to create with it. Oh, and I'm also using mixed decorative artificial diamond multicolor gems there. And actually they're nail art. Hopefully you can see that. These have such a great sparkle on them. Oh, almost blinding there. But yeah, that's another nice little product that they have in their store. Like I was getting ready to say, it's nail art, but I'm using it for gems on my cards and things. All right, so here goes that decorative star frame. I think it is so pretty. And I popped a little bear on there. There goes those multicolor gems there. Oh, so cute. And then I finished off the inside of the card there. And then next we will be using the wavy border background die. Using this here. And then I'm also using these little opals here. Oops, a little blurred there. All right, I'm using these little opals here. These are actually called Colorful Glossy Small Diamond Opal White gems there. So those are really, really pretty. And I made 2 cards using this. All right, and here goes the card I created using that die. I thought it was so pretty just to use it like with a more elegant touch. Just so pretty. And there goes those little opals right there. And I did finish off the inside of the card. I just flipped the colors. Really, really pretty. And then the next card, we got a little touch of elegance there and right into a fun card. I thought this was adorable, you know, to make it a little bit more fun. There goes the flatback pearl gems there. I thought that was really pretty to add that on there. That's super cute. And then I did finish off the inside of the card as well. Really, really cute. Now the last one, and I knew when I seen this frame in their shop. What is it called? It is called the double layer grid label dies. When I seen this in their shop, I knew it was speaking for a shaker card. I had already known that's what I wanted to make with it. And so that's exactly what I made with it. And then I'm also using these opal gems on my card. Now I made this card into a more elegant style card, and it can be for a non-traditional Valentine's Day card. I thought it actually turned out beautiful. Look at that. It is gorgeous. It just spoke shaker card to me. And then you can make it you know, with a touch of elegance, or you can scale it back and just make a regular card. But I thought it was beautiful, absolutely stunning. So those are my creations. I hope you like what you see. And if so, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to get the code down below for your discount, and click on some of those items and purchase yours. So head on over to Queenacraft and go shopping. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.